Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door. No calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a soft cloth, and a replacement filter, specifically designed for the Dyson SV12 model. Having these tools on hand will make the process smoother and more efficient. First, unplug your Dyson SV12 from the power source. Safety is paramount, and working with a powered device can lead to accidents. Once unplugged, locate the filter compartment, which is typically found at the top of the vacuum. Using your Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws securing the filter cover. There are usually 2 screws, so make sure to keep them in a safe place. After removing the screws, gently lift the cover off to expose the filter. Next, carefully pull the old filter out of its compartment. It may require a bit of wiggling, but it should come out without too much force. Take a moment to inspect the filter for any signs of damage or excessive dirt. If it appears heavily soiled or damaged, it's time for a replacement. Now, take your new filter and insert it into the compartment. Ensure it fits snugly and is seated properly. This is crucial for the vacuum to function effectively. Once the new filter is in place, replace the filter cover and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Make sure the cover is tightly fastened to prevent any air leaks. After securing the cover, it's a good idea to clean the interior of the vacuum. Use a soft cloth to wipe down any dust or debris that may have accumulated. This will help maintain the overall performance of your Dyson SV12. If you find that you don't have the necessary tools or feel uncomfortable performing this maintenance yourself, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our team can assist you with any issues you may encounter. Once you've completed the filter change, plug your Dyson SV12 back in and turn it on. Listen for any unusual sounds and ensure it's operating smoothly. Regular maintenance, including filter changes, is essential for keeping your vacuum in top condition. If you need assistance, we also provide pickup and delivery at your home. This means you don't have to worry about transporting your vacuum to a repair shop. With our service, there are no calls and no travel involved, making it incredibly convenient for you. Finally, if any repairs are needed, we will provide you with a quote before any work is done. This way, you can make an informed decision without any surprises. Regularly changing your filter and maintaining your Dyson SV12 will ensure it continues to perform at its best for years to come. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door. No calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio description.